Tirao, number 13. And pressure there. Antonia Dangalao. The shot blocked and results into a corner kick. Eto a bit hurt. The corner kick to come in the first minute of the second half. They're all waiting for the delivery from this delivery man, Muhammad Fatahul Rahim from Sianganga, here in Vanuatu, playing for Ba. He helped them win the Courts IDC. Corner kick, and the referee saw that one out of the line and made him take it back on the line. Muhammad Rahim and cleared away. And the referee says we will retake because he wants to see how it was taken. And before that there were some pushing and pulling between those two. And corner kick will be taken. The kick comes in, cleared away by Afraz Ali there. Enrico Matao and Piveli Sukambula, headed away by Afraz. They chip it away. Piveli and William again. Now Piveli Sukambula, watch him run away. Here is Penishoni Tirao, but the flag is up. The flag will call him back. The head boy at Xavier College in Ba, Penishoni Tirao, that time almost broke away. Afraz Ali to take that offside kick. The header. Now Enrico Matao lines it up. Enrico, William Valentine blocked by Suliano, number 15 from Ba. And Nadi again, but the offside flag is up on the other side, so it will be an offside kick. That man Suliano Tawanakoro came in the way of that chance for Nadi, and the offside kick to come in. A lot of fans sending their support and their messages. We'll try and squeeze them in this fast-paced football. As Master Parmanan, formerly of Vanuatu here, the former Fiji secondary football secretary, is watching from Seattle in Washington. And Master Mashoud is enjoying in Suva with his friends. Nahid in Seattle, USA, is watching with the Nandi fan Arun Chan. A throw in Batiratu and Neviro. Throw in it will be. A big thank you to our partners in the live stream, Extra Supermarket. Welcome to the Extra Experience. RC Manubay, the most talented, the most trusted name in hardware, and you can enjoy the media sale that they have. Smart, efficient security, the people you can trust for your security. Nivea, Tembara Halal Meats, and for our electrical and general contractors limited. As the throw in from Afraz. Now Siotame Kumbu tries to juggle away with that one, but Micheli clears it. Muhammad Rahim is racing away. Muhammad Rahim has so much space in front of him. Watch that there. Now it is Penishoni Tirao. Clever 10 from him. And the delivery, grabbing, not really grabbing yet, and finally grabbing is the goalkeeper, Ratu Helsted. So far, a man of the match performance from this man who is down on the ground for now. They will have a look at him as we watch the My TV live stream replay. Penisoni Tirao turning and delivering and grabbing and dropping as Ratu Helsted, and that hard shot from Etonia Dongalau came in. He knows that it was just an incident for the ball, and he apologized, the humble man that Etonia Dongalau is. And now Daryl Kakasi comes in to have a check on the Nadi goalkeeper, Ratu Helsted. That's the bar coach, and I'm sure Nandi fans would want to see the Nandi bench too. Daniel Krishnil walking around there. As Alfaz, the Nandi manager, and that is the Nandi bench there. The man from Canada, the coach from Canada, they call him. And also the man who led Ba to the Coach IDC victory, Asif, is now part of the Nandi coaching panel there with the water bottle. He has been up most of the time in this match. He knows about Ba because he is from Ba. That delivery, that save, and that incident, he went for the ball, no doubt about that. And the expressions confirms that the intention was not there to drop the goalkeeper down. Ratu Helsted gives the thumbs up to the referee and is back to save, to protect that line that he is standing upon. Etonia Dongalau almost got that one away from the goalkeeper. Tuimba Bakiratu. The header away from the goal line, the box line, brother, as they quickly come away. Afraz. Now it is from the right inside, Siotame. But then Suliano Tawanakorov makes that traditional run that he is known for. Enrico Matao. And I tell you, that was just a dive from Enrico Matao. And both the referee and the assistant couldn't see what happened there. Enrico Matao just dropped down to watch it here. Watch it. There's no contact on him. He just got it on the right boot of Mohammad Rahim and fell down to fool them and get the free kick. And he managed to do that successfully there. Vishant Reddy, the former Koravuto College student and gold medalist at the Coke Games Blue Ribbon event, will take this one. Three-man wall in front of him. Vishant Reddy floats it high. They wait for it. The shot of Raz, and that was a half-hearted shot. And when we watch, well, that's the reaction from the coach, Daniel Krishnil, as we would love to watch it again. And that's Afraz. Watch his body language, and that was a handball from number 12, Piveli Sukambula as well. The corner kick delivered now, headed away onto the far side. That was the header from Eto. Now Nandi again, and Shravan Sharma couldn't keep it. Throw in to Ba. Nandi looks a totally changed side compared to what they were in match number 1. And Ba trying to lift their performance from that low knockout draw. They drew with the defending champions, and they're doing well here most of the time, putting pressure, but not scoring yet. 55 and a half gone. Shravan Sharma, the Auckland, New Zealand player. Now William Valentine from that left hand side. They set it loose there. Junior Rocky is racing away. The sliding challenge, the referee says, was on the ball. Junior Rocky with that shot, with that cross in fact. And Soliano Tawanakoro knows the pressure that was pouncing upon him, and he decided to put it away. No matter, it's a corner kick. As long as it's not a goal for the Nadi side, the corner kick has to come from that far end, the referee says. So they came in with that pressure. Now William Valentine, the captain, from that far side. The crowd watching the delivery. In front of them, Afras with the header and Micheli with the header. A corner kick it will be to Nandi. Watch the number of black jerseys there. All around the 6-yard box, all around the frame. They want to protect that goal. And Misiwani will be leading them to do that. Can he do that? The delivery comes in, headed away there. Header from Shravan Sharma and taken away by Muhammad Rahim now. And Enrico Matao quickly comes in, clears it away. They are happy with that one. 57 minutes has raced away in this clash, the Group A clash. A throw-in taken there. Nandronga has 3 points. Lautoka has 4 points. And at the moment, here Nandi and Ba are nil all with 58 minutes coming up. Tuimba clears. They try and put it to that left hand side, Nandi. And from the top by Sela Saratu. It will be a free kick to the Nandi side. Afraz wants to take it. And a handshake there. Tuimba will take that one. And also welcoming in Nandi, cheering for the Nandi side, Fuad, Alam and Sakyusa. They went to cheer for the Drua side, and now they're cheering for the Nandi side. They cheered the Drua to win. Can they cheer the Nandi side to win? Junior Rocky, the Solomon Islander, and the head at the time from Siotame. He couldn't turn towards the net. The delivery from Junior Rocky. Cleared away. Tuimba Batiratu controlling that one. Muhammad Rahim, Daryl Kakasi, and pouncing on that one. And the goalkeeper, and Eto! What a miss! Etonia Dongalau had the goalkeeper down and had to place it into the far corner. But the body position and the goal angle was not favorable for him, as we may get the replay soon to watch how that one was wasted. That's the miss of the night. Ratu Helsted did his part. He came in to block the angle, and that was difficult for Eto. Again now, Daryl Kakashi for Eto. Cleared the way by Twimba Batiratu. And to the far side that goes 60 and a half minutes completed here. And a cross comes in from that far side. Eto waits, and that one just bounces away. That one, Ratu Hellstedt would not have stopped if it was going in the frame, as it just bounced away. He knows what has been missed again, yet again. The My TV live streaming from here at Subrail Park in Lambasa. Digicel Fiji Fect 2024. Match day 2, match number 3. Nadi on attack, and the goalkeeper Misiwane after the ball. After the ball is what we want to watch. I hope there will be a replay for that one. They are looking for the replay. They're searching for it. There was a hand from the goalkeeper. And how will the match officials interpret that? Protection for the goalkeeper? Protection for the ball? Or attack on the Nadi player? The way it looks like, it won't be anything more than that, because the players have walked away from there. The referee is having a look at his assistant. Will he come to him, or will it just continue from here? It doesn't look like there will be a contest to the decision, as a replay on that will confirm a lot of things. No, nothing, says the referee. He's talking on his on the microphone. We just saw him, and finally they walk away. So it will be a drop ball situation there. But I tell you, there was a movement, hand movement from the goalkeeper, from what I saw on the screen, and a replay on that would have confirmed the reality of the matter. Enrico Matao is coming to the sideline and will go back once the clearance is given to him, as they start now from that far end. Sukambula loses possession, does well again, and the referee says free kick it will be. William is not happy. So it will be a free kick. Now let's watch it here. William comes in, he's down on the ground and he's playing that ball, and yes, Afra has fouled him, but before that he was playing the ball from the ground. And the free kick, as the goalkeeper misses that one, and luckily it didn't go into the frame. Corner kick it will be, and corner kick. Ayman was the man that came in the way to save that one, as we watch it here. No, Ame got it. So it will be a corner kick to the bar side there. 65 minutes coming up. They will watch it from the background there, just behind Piveli Sukambula, for him to deliver in front of them. And this time, not the delivery they would have wanted. They miss it altogether. Raheem comes in with that shot. He's known to score from there. And now, Shiotami. Nadi come up here on attack. The Nadi coach, Asif there, the former bar coach, probably signaling to his goalkeeper to tap, to time, because that was a huge miss by him, and that would have been costly for Nadi. that would have taken them down from the momentum that they have. And a bit of afters there. Michele has been called. Siotame has been called. And they are friends now. No problem, referee. As Michele walks away to take this one now. Michele Naviro played for Nanronga. That one they're looking for Eto, but cleared away by Vishant Reddy. Piveli's pass. Rere to the far side. Malakai Rere passes it behind. The clearance comes in there. Now the control. Daryl Kekasi lifts it away to the speedster. And the cross. The goalkeeper is there. And again, he fumbles that one and recovers. Clears it away. And Suliano Tawanakoro, but Siotame and racing away now is Matao, Enrico Matao, as they both wanted that one. A long clearance made there, and that would go outside.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, another reminder. It is very important that you take heed of the reminders that you have been told earlier. And this is for the
as
ones
on
that
the
we had mentioned
embankment,
earlier.
on the grandstand.
Once again, let me just remind you, try to be
And
considerate.
wherever you look at them, they are there to witness
on your
the
district teams.
Digicel Fiji
But
Fest
this is a
2024
last warning to all of
match
you that are
day
using the
2.
horns. If you're not considerate of all the
67
elderlies
minutes
or the
gone,
other spectators that are watching the
and
games,
it's
you
still
will either be forced to
no
vacate the
scores
premises
in this
or the
fast
horns will be confiscated on the
and
spot. Please take
fiery
heed
match.
to all of you that are blowing the horns. If you are found
Taken
doing it
away
without,
by
if you're not
Peniasi
taking this into
Tirao,
consideration, you
Penishoni
will be
Tirao
told
rather,
to vacate the
and
premises. Thank
cleared
you.
away. Out of play has come, so it will be a throw-in to Michele Naviro. Again, Penishoni controlling it there for Michele. And he lifts a high one. Tapped away by the goalkeeper and grabbed away by the goalkeeper. Ratu Helsted. And his kick, no Nadi players. Samuel Navode sends it back to where it came from, almost there. Muhammad Rahim is looking for the space, none given to him. They know what will happen if they do so. Navode again sends it for Eto. Etonia Dangalao has scored the goal here. 68.5-minute goal. Samuel Navode delivery and Etonia Dangalao finish has put the 4R bar side up by 1-0. We watch it here on the My TV live stream replay. That smacking shot in the corner of the net. The delivery came from Navode. He did that before that as well, but that time they were unsuccessful. And the second one that Navode came in with the delivery for Eto. Eto timed it quite well, and he saw the goalkeeper and the defense desperate and moving around, and he didn't delay. He blasted that to the corner of the net. Ba has taken lead here. 69.5 coming up now, and for our Ba is leading Nadi by 1-0. They are celebrating there, and then they are pulling out Penishoni Tirao, the man who was making all those moves from no, it's someone else. Penishoni did come, yeah. No, that's the Nandi change. So we will pick it up for you for the bar side number as who has come out. Fazil Ali has gone in, Tiger. And we will shortly confirm who has come out for Shravan Sharma has come out for Nandi. And this man, Ratu Josefata Dungu Dangi, has gone into the field of play. Etonia Dungalao is running to the sideline to be given some treatment by the physio. 70 minutes completed here. Etonia Dungalao goal is what stands between the two sides here. A pass made, Enrico Matao now races away from the right hand side, turns in, and they close down on him there and clear it away. Daryl Kakasi, Etonia Dungalao chases, but that one will be outside. Daniel Krishnil didn't celebrate that goal. He just stood and watched them celebrate. Well, he knows they deserve it the most, and he knows the job is still not complete. So we can confirm Malakai Rere. There he is on at the bottom of his screen. Number 4. There he walks in front of Asif. They have a handshake. Last year in October, they celebrated together at Laudala the Coach IDC victory. Here they are on the other sides of this match. Asif coaching Nandi and Malakai Rere playing for the same bar side he played at the Coach IDC. It will be a free kick now to Mba. Suliano Tawanakoro sends it away as chesting it down and controlling Eto shot, and that's a shocker for the goalkeeper, and he almost conceded a corner kick on that occasion. Ratu Helsted is under pressure, I tell you, and it comes in now for Josefata Dunguvangi. The first touch on for Enrico Matao. Now taken away, Etonia Dungalao, Daryl Kakasi, and the goalkeeper. So Dinesh Prasad is happy in USA with the daughter out there as the bar side is leading by 1-0. And Etonia Dungalao lines up that switch play on to the far side. It has gone. Throw in taken there. Nandi Afras with the clearance. Ame having problems with that one as they come back bar now, and still there for Rahim, taken away. Josefata Dunguvangi. Captain William on for Josefata again. Enrico will watch that one go out. The Nandi bench there. The throw in to come in from William. Siotami misses that one. But Nandi from the throw in now. Siotami again. Michele is doing well on the left back's position for the bar side. Vishan, clever turn by him. William, wonderful work by William. And William has earned a free kick in the process too. The turn towards the stadium and then towards the line, the corner flag got the bar defenders napping and fouling. Afraz Ali has this 3-man wall to beat. Muhammad Rahim, they are number 17 now. They are left with 2. Afraz floats it high, and it comes back now for Enrico Matao. The shot taken, and goal kick is the only thing that will come out of that shot. Enrico is not happy there. They call him Rico. From Roma village in Natasiri. Staying in Nandi. A former Korovuto College student, Enrico Matao. The goal kick comes in there into the Nadi half now. Headed away. William sends it back, putting pressure on Vishant Reddy. Vishant has done well tonight at the right back's position. Now it is Mohammad Rahim. Taken away there by Enrico Matao. Wonderful 10 from him as Siotame Kumbu now isolated but is close to the box. Will he come in with the cross? He does so. And Navode just blocking that one. Safety first, putting it out. As it will be a corner kick to the Nadi side there. Junior Rocky will take that one. Huge one. And that one finally collected by Misiwani. Darrell Kekasi putting pressure on the Nandi goalkeeper there. Vishant. Infield pass to Imba Batiratu. And sends it across field there. No one reaching to that one. Ayman was waiting. Now William Valentine, the captain for Ayman. Ayman turns. Throw into Nandi. William Valentine again. As that pass made there, Siotame, and he tried to step in. Siotame, that one step, that one little step that was needed there didn't happen. As on the sideline now, Nandi will make a change. Siotame Kumbu is coming out. As Siotame Kumbu had been putting pressure on most of the time, and he was a problem for the Bar defense, and they have sent in the former national under-17 player and the current under-19 player, the squad member of Vinayak Rao. It comes in, they are collected by the goalkeeper. So 18-year-old Vinayak Rao has gone in to replace Siotame Kumbu. Nandi knows the reason why they have pulled out Siotame. He was a problem for the Bar defense. So what they have done is that they have pushed Afraz Ali as a striker, Josephat Dungu Vangi as a striker, and Enrico Matao on the right, and they got Junior Rocky on the left. And Vinayak Rao has gone in as the midfielder player with William Valentine as the holding midfielder. So that's the change that has happened, and if we watch it here, the fall, the hit, the flag is up there in the background. And Etonia Dongalao is okay. The instructions given there. He will wait for the final whistle, and not now, as final 11 minutes. Nandi putting pressure here. Vishant ready, and Enrico Matao. Enrico on his own. Enrico Matao turns away, and that one will be a goal kick. Good defense there. It was Darrell Kekasi with the speed and the fitness that he possesses, managed to close him down. As cleared away there, and out of play this comes Nandi again here with possession, just on the halfway. The throw-in to come in, taken there. Sahil Valentine is sitting on the bench for the Nandi side. and maybe going into the field shortly. Afraz, no Nandi players there, and this time they almost got it. So corner kick is what Nandi will end from there. 80.5 minutes already completed. The corner kick. As it comes in, they clear it away. A long throw there from William. They clear it away. And Afraz was just watching that one. Rico and no Rico. And that one will warrant a card, I suppose. No. The referee is having a word with Muhammad Rahim. Free kick to the Calgary-sponsored Nandi side. Here is the My TV live stream replay. Watch record number 10, the dancing man, and he was shoved down. Josefata Dungu Vangi will take this one. What is his intention here? Floats it high, headed away, and it will be a throw-in from that far side. William Valentine has gone across to take that one. Into the box, it comes the header from Ame. And the goalkeeper was right there to protect his goal. 82.5 minutes gone. Misiwane drops it down and clears. Headed away by Tuimba. William lifts it high, looking for a run from this speedster from later series. But this time, no one there for Nandi, and putting pressure, but loses possession. Ba has a throw in here. Throw in it will be. Micheli. Asif, the Nandi coach, giving the instructions there. He wants an equalizer. And Ayman, Muhammad Ayman, Etonia Tongalao, they play to the far side. Penisoni, Tirao, still Penisoni, watch him go here. But intercepted Penisoni again. Penisoni on his own, dribbles everybody there. The last defender was to be beaten. That is the head boy of Xavier College, year 15 student, Penisoni Tirao. And it will be a throw-in. The referee wants it to be taken. Daryl Kakasi, he can stand and keep it with him there, but then overruns the ball on that occasion. Pass made there by Batiratu for William. And that's a big kick. Who will meet that one? They bring it away now. Sukambula, and now it is Batiratu. And his idea was to play it for Timba. Not Timba, that is Timba Batiratu for Enrico Matau. But he didn't get the right direction. It has gone outside. We will quickly thank our sponsors: Extra Supermarket, RC Manubai, Smart Efficient Security, Nivea, Tambara Halal Meats, and for our Electrical and General Contractors Limited. As Ba come on attack there, and Timba Batiratu not comfortable with that one. Headed away by Daryl Kakasi. Now Penisoni Tirao. Still Penisoni as again he dribbles, and that is a screamer from Penisoni Tirao. Just over the crossbar. And it will be a goal kick to Nadi. The stadium behind that the goalpost is pegged. The stadium behind this goalpost is pegged as well. What can they do here, Nadi? Afraz. William a bit slow. Vinayak Rao finds Junior Rocky as he makes that pass. Flicking past that time from Dunguvangi. Now William lays it back. Tuimba Batirato with the shot blocked by Dunguvangi. And again Tuimba with the shot blocked by Afraz Ali. So two shots by Tuimba Batirato blocked by his own place. The first one blocked by Dunguvangi, and the second one by Afraz Ali. And that too has ended with an offside. So offside kick to the Four Bar side here. 87 minutes coming up. Four Bar as we watch it here on the My TV live stream replay. Watch the strides from Tuimba. Blocked there by Afraz. That was the last one. The first one was blocked by Dunguvangi. They keep it there. Mba. Throwing it will be to Mba. 87.5. TGCL Fiji Flag 2024. Match day 2. Match number 3. So we have another one, match number 4, and no one would want to miss that one. We can confirm that Rewa has got players like Setaraki Hughes back in the team. Yeah, he is there, and he will start. So at least Setaraki Hughes is back in the lineup. Now from that far end bar again. Penisoni. Penny, they call him, tapped away and collected. What a player he is, Penisoni Tirau. Only 18 years old. So many years ahead of him. Now Sukambula and Rahim. Rahim, remember, is from Sianganga. And now Penisoni, and he dives claiming for that penalty. Again, a lot of players do that. Simulation is the word in the rule book. They try and fool the referee. And he tried to corner kick. Corner kick from the far side. Penisoni Tirau looks like to be exhausted. And that one will be a free kick. No rush. Daryl Kakasi underneath that one again. Out of play has gone. 18 student of Swami Vivekananda College, number 15, Prashant Reddy. Throwing it will be Muhammad Rahim, but taken away there. William Valentine. And they release it there for Eto and Daryl Kakasi. The goalkeeper is out of his line. as he could have opted to put it over the goalkeeper, but decided to put it down for the would-be incoming players. No one came. Ba, remember, is the Courts IDC champions from 2023, and they won this Fiji Fest when it was played for the first time in 1991 at Govin Park in Ba, and the Ba side has won this one the most compared to any of the teams. They've played 10 finals and have won 8 of them, but none here at Subrail Park. Clear there as controlling and clearing. Put it down. Vishant ready. Doing well, doing enough. Etonia Dongalau. He knows they are leading. He knows they are winning, and they can win if he keeps doing that. Pressure on the Nadi defense is the best form of defense from Ba, as Nadi is desperate for a goal here. And Ba is smart and keeping it right into the face of the Nadi defense. This one is exemplary of that. Afras clears. Samu Navode again. He was the one who made the delivery, long delivery. They say you put it over the shoulder of the defense and it will be hard for them to turn around. By then, the attacker will race away. And that's exactly what Dongalau did. Eto. Yes, Josephat Adungavangi and Prashant. Afraz Ali being pushed down to the ground by Muhammad Rahim. Afraz is not happy with the youngster, Prashant. He wanted him to go in front. Free kick it will be. William Valentine. 94 minutes, 39 seconds gone. Final few seconds. As William Valentine swings. Ame with the header. And it goes outside. So it will be a goal kick from our position. It looked like it will reach the net. Ame Votonio. It will be interesting to watch the replay of this one. As the goal kick, it will be to Ba. Misiwane Nerumbe. 5 minutes of added time has completed, and the referee agrees with our time. And at full time, now he is relieved. Now they will celebrate as they have achieved their target. They have got the 3 points out of this match. The Ba bench, they have all the reasons to be relieved. A hard and busy night for these people. And
ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, full time in the Group A match of the Deep South Factor.